Hello, you absolute legends. Welcome back to the channel. Let's flip the light on. It's John here in, well, I'm going to show you the day. A horrible, gloomy, murky, rainy, horrible day here in Lincolnshire. But this box has just arrived along with a few other boxes as well this morning. If you haven't watched the first video on the channel, where a viewer has sent me some Proton goodies, I would suggest checking that out first. It's up there. Thanks to Alex there for sending me those bits and pieces. And since that, some more people have contacted me to say, John, I've got some Proton goodies. Will you do a video if I send you them? And the answer, of course, is yes. So in this video, I have got 3 or 4. I've got a couple of weeks worth of stuff that people have been sending me to open. And I genuinely have no idea what is in this box, the other boxes, and a few others as well. So come along with me, we'll open the box together, and hopefully there'll be some good, interesting Proton goodies inside. Okay, I've got my knife to open the box, and the reason I've got the box stood up like this and the other way around is because, well, it's got my address on the other side, and as much as I like giving my address to random people to send me Proton stuff, I don't necessarily like giving my address out to random people on YouTube to send me stuff that isn't Proton related. So let's open the box. Okay. Now this has come from a garage. It's been sent from a Suzuki garage in Hunstanton in Norfolk, according to the label on the front anyway. Okay. Fleming Brothers, Southend Road, Hunstanton. Well, it's very well packed, whatever it is in here. And it's quite a thin, narrow box. I'm expecting, I don't know, maybe floor mats? It's not very heavy. But also, it sounds plasticky when you shake it. I'm going to chuck all this out. My cat is going to love that. She's going to go crazy for that in a minute. Oh! That is not what I was expecting to see. Okay. That's a... I told you. That is a front grille for something. A Wira or a Persona. Certainly not for a Proton Saga. Oh my goodness, there's more bits and pieces in here. What's this in here? Packing slip enclosed. There's something in there we need to look at. Okay, and there's some more grills. Cool. Ah, yeah, look at that. That is a Proton Saga grill with badge, not illuminated. Are you having fun down there, Misty? I told you she was going to like that. This is just all rubbish. I'm just going to throw all the boxes at the cat. The good news is it's purple bin day. I don't know if you have a purple bin where you are, but our purple bin is cardboard. So cardboard day today on the bins, so we can get rid of all this. And another Proton grill, this time in Rainforest Green. 3 Proton grills. Is that all that's in this box? Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh, I thought there was something else, but I'm hitting my light. Okay, cool. Thanks very much to that person who has sent me 3 Proton grills. Let's have a look at them. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. They will go into the collection. This one's quite interesting because I've never seen one of them before. Misty, will you stop playing about with that, please? Thank you. Now, what's in here? Is it just packing, or is there stuff in here? Let's open it up. Here I was expecting Proton badges or something, but it's totally empty. So I'll stick that in there. That's box 1 of 4 or 5. 3 Proton grills. The second box has been sent to me by Steve. Thanks, Steve, for sending me this. I must admit, the box came damaged, and Crystal has had a go at it. So I do know what is in here, but this is how the box has come. And in here, from Steve, is some Proton wheel centres. Some wheel trims. Look at that. We've got Proton wheel trim, Proton wheel trim. These two have been used. They are used. However, Look at that. A set of brand new. They're sealed. They've never been opened. Wheel trim centres. These are from sort of the GL model and the GE. They are awesome. Find me a set of them. Genuinely, find me another set of those. Because those are super duper rare. There's something that I'm going to put on a car. I've got a car which I can't tell you about yet, actually. Whoops, I've made a mistake. I've got a car coming which needs these trims. So thanks very much to Steve for sending me that. And now Daisy's come to join the party as we've got another parcel that came from Natasha. Natasha contacted me through eBay. She bought a hat from me and said, John, I've got some Proton bits. Would you like me to send them? And I said, well, I'll tell you what, I'll send you a couple of hats if you send me these bits. I genuinely have no idea what these were. And actually, they're not the most rare part in the world or interesting. They are a set of Thule roof bar covers. So, let's open this up. On a Proton, you would get roof bar covers at Thule, because Proton and ProPart used Thule products and then called it their own. These just clip on the end of roof bars. Won't lie, I don't have a set of roof bars for them to go on, but somebody in the future might need a set of those, so there's something good to have in the collection. This is not as this arrived. This arrived with a big label on it with my address, but I haven't opened it yet, again for the benefit of doing this video. It doesn't rattle. I'm expecting Proton badges like Proton and 1.3 and all that sort of stuff. Oh my goodness! Oh wow! These are fabulous. I said I was expecting badges, but I didn't mean button badges. Look at that. Proton GTI button badge. Britain's finest motoring value Proton. They're about sort of an inch across. And these, look at the size of these. The new Proton MPI catalyst. Record breakers. Wow. The Proton National Live Link Draw 1992. Now, if you've seen the viral video that Mrs. John Coupland has done, you will know that, well, she uses a mug from the Proton Live Link 1992 National Draw. I haven't got one of these buttons. I've got the others, to be honest with you. In fact, no, I haven't got a GTI one. I've got this one and the other one, but that is so cool to have. Thank you very much for that. I will get them as part of the museum cabinet very soon. I've also been sent this from Oliver in Germany, and my hand is covering my address at the moment. Look at these German stamps, by the way. Kirchen, bewahren und beleben. Kirchenberg. That is a church, Kirchen. Yeah, so Oliver, thanks for sending me this. Okay, I have pre-opened this because I wasn't expecting anything from Oliver. It just sort of arrived out of the blue. Let's open this one-handed. Look at that. To Oliver Balthun, West Germany. Proton, 16th of the 4th, 1986. Postmarked Malaysia. Proton, and in here is something quite interesting, to be honest with you. This is an information pack. I was going to say a press pack, but it's not really a press pack. It's an information pack to Oliver, who has written to Proton in 1986, dated the 28th of March. With reference to your letter about finding a corporate brochure, please find them enclosed. From Rosalina BT Halil on the behalf of the executive director, 15th of April 1986. And this is a copy of the Malaysia Industrial Digest, which isn't just about Proton sagas. What's here? Bendy toys, remember those? And electronic sperms. That's quite interesting. The Malaysia Industrial Digest. A big history pack about Proton and the brand itself and what the brand is trying to achieve. and a Proton Saga 1.3S and 1.5S Malaysian Achievement booklet. Now there's some beautiful artwork in here. I have never seen this booklet before. It's certainly not one that I've got in my collection. And the photographs here are for the Malaysian domestic market. They're not UK spec images. So that is something really cool to have. And it's branded Eon, which is the Proton Saga distributor. That is cool. I've also been sent this from Kevin. This is a Proton tote bag. He sent me that as a gift, along with this, which I do know what this is. Again, I've opened this one because I was like, what is this? A Saga, Proton's 25-year story. And it's a book, it's a thick book with lots of glossy photographs and bits and pieces. But it's signed by well, I don't know who it's signed by, I'm assuming the author. With best regards to Kamal, 27th of July 2010. You can see all the Proton cars here as well. Saga, you've got a Savvy, you've got another Saga, you've got a Wadja, which is the Impian in the UK, you've got the GTI, you've got a Persona, Gen 2, Satria Neo. Lots of cool cars and lots of great photographs in here. Proton City. There's all the people that make Proton look. Aren't they all smiley and happy? Apart from her, she's not looking too impressed. But this is a lovely book to have. And it's in English as well. Which is lovely. Absolutely lovely to have. That'll be probably a video in itself, won't it? Going through this book. Fantastic. Thanks, Kevin, for that one. Two more to go. This one, which arrived yesterday. Absolutely no idea what's in here either. This is from an anonymous person who has sent me it. Okay. Let's get in here. The cats are going wild in the aisles outside. They're playing with the boxes and bits and pieces. Oh, this is also from Fleming Brothers in Hunstanton. Maybe from the same people who sent me the grills then. Oh my goodness. Oh, I hope these are what I think they are. I can see something. Oh, yes. These look very nice. Excellent. These are a set of Proton wheel trim. In fact, I hope they're a set. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, they are. Proton wheel trims. Oh. You find me a good set of them. In fact, I'm going to get them out and I'm going to wash them in a minute. Where am I going to put them? I'm going to leave them in the box. But, wow, awesome. Proton wheel trims. These are from the early Protons, 1989 to 1992 onwards. Maybe they fit the early models with this sort of grille styling here. They weren't fitted to the SE or the SLs. They were fitted to the GLs. Yeah, mainly the GLs. The GLS had turbine trims, but these are your generic Proton wheel trims. And finding a set, in fact, yeah, there is a whole set here. Let's get them out and have a look. Yeah, finding a set is very, very, very rare. They're not perfect, you know, and I think they need a bit of a scrub. This one's got a bit of a rash look. But yeah, find me a set. You can easily paint them. But you find me a set of those. You can see how dirty they are. Yeah, they're not perfect. This one's a bit damaged here. But bearing in mind they are, you know, 30 odd years old. That one's okay. The first one I pulled out was the best one. But yeah, full set of Proton wheel trims. Lastly, And by no means leastly, what are you doing? I'm watching you. I've been sent this, which I don't think there's many of these left. I did know what this was. This is a Laser 200. It's a Proton diagnostic machine. It's the PDT 2000. It's for later model cars. Here are all the software modules and the instructions and software. I haven't tried it yet, but it takes battery and you plug it into the car using sort of comms ports. The comms port is there. That's the sort of thing that I think would have probably gone in a skip. In fact, there's a little thing here, a little flat tab thing. Is there anything behind there? No, there's nothing there. That's a shame. I was hoping for, I don't know, Proton goodies, stickers or something. Oh, stickers would have been good, wouldn't it? My cat is trying to get out. She has ruined the carpet in here. Get out. Go on then, if you're going. Goodbye. I don't think I should show you what she's done to my carpet, but I'm not very happy. But this is the room that we're decorating next. This is our decorating room. So this is this is a bit of a dumping ground for stuff at the moment. Anyway, PDT 2000. Find me another one of those. We'll have to try and plug it in and get it working. And if anyone needs Proton diagnostics doing, let me know, I suppose, in the comments below. That's it then. That is all the bits and pieces that have been sent the past couple of weeks. What is my highlight? The wheel trims are good. They're nice to have, as are these wheel centres. But I think the highlight for me has got to be that German brochure booklet that Oliver has sent off for back in the 80s and has received back from Proton. If you've enjoyed the video, let me know in the comments below. Have a great day, whatever you're getting up to. Maybe you've got some Proton goodies you'd like to send me. Please get in contact and I will give you my PO box where you can send me Proton, the PO, the Proton box, the PR box. That should be, shouldn't it? Have a great day, whatever you're getting up to. If you haven't liked and subscribed already, please do so. What was your favourite thing that I was sent from from people recently? That cat is going to drive me up the wall. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.